Hey, my name is Dr. Lewis Cohn. I'm a nutritionist here in the Dallas area, North Texas, chiropractor by training, but doing mostly nutritional work these days. And I love it. I love helping people who have some weird problems. I love the mysterious cases that come in, and I like being a good detective, trying to figure out what's behind their complaints. Because you almost never need to work on the complaint. You always need to work on what's behind it, what's causing it. What's causing it is often surprising. So if you're liking these videos, please give me a thumbs up on the video or subscribe. That way you can get some alerts if I do another video, and it will help my channel grow. And the channel growing will help reach more people with some common sense solutions to health problems that people are just not getting with mainstream media. So let's jump in. This video is about the fourth organ in my most common organs that have troubles, and that is the kidneys. So let's jump in and talk about the symptoms that kidney stress may be giving you. So the kidneys are in your back. They're just under your, protected by the lowest ribs on your back on the left and right. You've got two kidneys, and then they have these little tubes that drain from the kidneys, and they drain the urine from the kidneys, and then they deposit that urine in the bladder. So then you fill up your bladder and you have to go pee occasionally. The kidneys are working all the time to filter blood. And their job is to filter out certain toxins and then put those toxins into a little bit of water and then get rid of it. So that's the job of the kidneys. If the kidneys are having some troubles, but you don't know you're having kidney troubles, the most common one that people have is pain across the area where the kidneys are. So people come and they feel like, oh, I've got this low back pain, because the kidneys are kind of in that low back area. And then people may feel like, I've got to get a massage, low back, tight. I sprained my back. Well, that might be because the kidneys were making the muscles in the low back irritated, and you were just waiting for a sprain to happen because the area was dysfunctional. So the kidneys can make problems for the muscles in the low back tightness, feeling like you need a massage, feeling like you got to go to the chiropractor all the time, got to go to the acupuncturist to keep working on those low back points, just feeling generally uncomfortable in your low back. And the kidneys also, when one has trouble, the other one tends to have trouble too. So it's pretty common for people that have pains that are going down the legs. So when people say, oh yeah, it's that kind of pain coming down from my back, going down both legs, that's pretty commonly a kidney symptom as well. You can have pain occasionally on one side, but not the other. And that can be sometimes from crystals that are in the kidneys, called kidney stones. So you're having some kidney stones, maybe in the right kidney, but not the left, then your right side can hurt. And it's only the right side. But it's really, really common for the kidneys to control stuff from ribs down, both sides, especially on the back. So if you have back pain, and then it goes down both sides, maybe into your knees, possibly even to your feet. Oh, lower body stuff, lower body pains. That makes me think about kidneys. The kidneys are also king of getting rid of extra water. So if you're not getting rid of extra water, you're swollen. So if you notice that your fingers are swollen or your feet are swollen, then that's an indication of kidney troubles. So you need to have the kidney function checked and see what your kidneys need to help them function better. So if you're swollen, or if there's anything related to kind of a water problem, too much water in your feet, ankles, calves, even the fingers sometimes can cause troubles. Also, as I mentioned in the earlier video, if your kidneys are not working well, they detox the body. So if you're not detoxing the body well, you're letting toxins accumulate, poisons accumulate. So you can feel low-grade sick because that's what toxins do. If the toxins are not flushing out effectively, then you just feel kind of achy or can feel kind of tired all over or feverish or just kind of, I don't know why. My back hurts and I feel sick. I've got some water issues. That's like ringing multiple bells for kidney troubles for me. I would love to help anyone that's having some issues in any way possible. When I do find people are having some kidney stress, usually people's kidneys benefit from having a check to see if there's a food allergy It's a common thing where food allergy is creating an inflammatory effect on the kidneys. I don't see that that is checked for enough with standard medical care, so that's one thing I like to check for. Also, can the kidneys have a little hidden infection? Yes. And most people, when they hear the idea of hidden infection, they think of a bacterial infection. Yes. But you can also have microparasite, fungal infections, viral infections that are affecting the kidneys. So those things need to be screened for also. So I really like to check to see if anyone's showing an indication of hidden infections or food allergies. That really helps the kidneys function better if those are removed. Also, the kidneys may need certain nutrients to work well, and they also tie in with certain other organs. There's a relationship with them. The kidneys and the liver seem to be very tied in together, kidneys and heart function. So there could be some other organs tied in, having kind of a relationship with the kidney function. Those are really, really important, and I find them giving symptoms a lot, especially when people are saying the symptoms are across the low back, down the legs, with water symptoms, swelling, or just feeling low grade, can't put your finger on it, but kind of sick. Could be from the toxins accumulating from the kidneys. So hope that jogged your memory. If there's something that one of these symptoms is that you have, give my office a call. If it's something that you remember, a family member or a friend has, share this video with them. I'd love for them to be able to see it and hear some options for what might be going on behind the scenes for your complaints. I hope to see you on another video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you on another video. Pepper me with questions. I'll answer those questions in future videos.